Hey, how was that? Did you like it? So let's make it together. First, add your video to CapCut and find the first moment you want it to start. Now split and delete the first part. Alright, now find the moment the character punches to the wall. Now tap on overlay icon in toolbar, then add overlay. In YouTube, search for green screen crack or something like this and use the video here as an overlay. Tap on remove background icon, then tap on chroma key, and now select green color, then increase intensity and shadow to the end. Okay, now adjust the size and rotation of the cracked video on the wall. Now take a screenshot and go to your gallery, then crop the photo and add it to your video. Increase its time in timeline and fix the size. Tap on remove background, then custom removal, and now paint wherever you want to be shown. Freeze the last frame of the cracked video and increase its time to the end. Tap on it in timeline and from toolbar find layers icon and drag the cracked layer to the left so it will be on top. And that was it. That was easy and so much fun. If you like this video, just like it and subscribe my channel to support me to make better videos day by day. Love you all and wish you the best and peace together.